Hi, this is Bill, and welcome to Capture Page 0055. I'm going to go ahead and zero in on the variables and the styling that's available for this page. So you're on the editing page. Of course, you can choose to specify your own metadata. You can enable or disable various form fields that are related to this page. You can edit the page data, changing the lead group and the redirects and editing those values there. And lastly, you can get into the WYSIWYG editor. And with this capture page, you'll see there's some black text here. So you'll just have to be cautious as you edit, not to damage anything. But you can go ahead and turn that white so that you will be able to see it as you're working. Now, you can edit all this, of course, with your own text, your own marketing lines, your own call to action. But when we get down to changing the video or the background slides, we want to come down to the page variables. We'll see here there's a number of them. First, you have your YouTube video ID, and if we look at the capture page on the internet, you see that we're just using our simple trailer. However, if we go to the page and we want to get a different kind of video here, let's say for example we wanted to go to YouTube and we wanted to include Tony Robbins. So we could go ahead and grab this video, and what you'll see here after the watch V equals, this here is the video ID. So we're going to copy that, come back to our variables, and we're going to go ahead and paste that in. You see that that value there has changed. Then we can also edit the button IDs. Now, to know where the buttons come from, let's look at the one that's on there now. Continue tour with a red circle. But if we right click on this button that says buttons, we'll go open link in new tab, and on the button page, if we scroll down, we'll begin to see various buttons that we can use on the page. There's a garden variety of buttons there, and then we get into buttons that just are different shades of colors. Let's go ahead and use a white button here, and let's say take me to the video. So I'm going to copy this with a Control-C. I'm going to go back to the button and I'm going to paste that value in there. And then we have the background images, and we want to get those from the background images button here. So we're going to right click, open link in new tab. We'll go to the background pages, and there are a lot of them. So what we'll do in this case is we're just going to go to the fourth page of background images, and let's see what we have here. We have coffee, we have cats and dogs and fish and birds. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take some of these birds. So we know we have 17600. So let's just do that. 17600, 17601, 17602. Okay, so I've inputted the 6 images, and you don't have to use them in order like that. You can use any numbers that you want. But for the sake of time, an example. So let's go back to our capture page now, and we will refresh it. We'll see Tony Robbins video playing. We see our birds in the background, and we have a button that works right here at the bottom of the page. So once you've completed that information there, you are done customizing this particular capture page.